The West region, page 1. Our country's largest region goes from the cold, frozen tundra of Alaska to the warm, sunny beaches of Hawaii and California. In between, you'll find mountains, valleys, deserts, and even volcanoes and a rainforest. Land and water. Several mountain ranges cover much of the West. The largest mountain range is the Rocky Mountains, which forms the eastern edge of the region. The Rockies begin far to the north in Canada. From there, the Rockies stretch south all the way to Mexico, across Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, and Colorado. The Rocky Mountain Range is nearly 3,000 miles long and hundreds of miles wide. Along the Pacific coast, more mountain ranges form a giant H on the map. The coast ranges make up the first long line of the H. The low mountains of the coast ranges seem to rise right out of the Pacific Ocean. They form cliffs in many places along the coast all the way up to Alaska. The highest mountain in the United States, Mount Denali, is part of the Coast Range. Mount Denali in Alaska is 20,320 feet high. Sidebar 1. The West is the largest region in the United States. It is made of 11 states. Alaska and Hawaii are separated from the other states by land and water. Sidebar 2. The Coast Ranges, the Sierra Nevadas, and the Cascade Range and the Rocky Mountains are all found in the West region.